morning, YouTube, moto vlog aficionados and fans of any sort. It's FlyBy. We out here on a beautiful sunny day on the BMW 2022 S1000RR, and we're heading into work. Took like a week off of riding. My neck and back were all cramped up. They're almost healed. I think I really kind of injured myself bending over, working on the street triple, doing the motor swap. Got the job done. Bike runs great. Runs better than it did before. So props, shout out to the guy who sold me the used motor in Baltimore. It was a hike to go get it, but it was worth it. He was a man of his word. Everything he said about the motor was true, and runs great. But anyhow, my neck and my back have been all jammed up and sore, so I've been all miserable, laying around the house, not doing nothing. Finally got out yesterday, went to work for a little bit. That seemed to loosen it up a little bit, getting active. So I'm heading into work again today to do the same thing, see if I could fix myself with a little bit of activity. And you know, I'm almost healed up, so hopefully this ride doesn't cause me any more neck and back pain. Sometimes when I'm pushing high speeds, the wind really pushes down on my neck on the top of the helmet, pushes down on my neck, and then I'm in for more pain the next day. But I think the activity is the cure. I really do. So we're gonna try and be active and give you guys a good show, and really push some heat here, and not be scared of injuring ourselves, because who wants to be scared? We don't ride these bikes because we're scared, you know. We ride these bikes for the thrill and for the fun and for the excitement and for the lifestyle. Yeah, bud. Oh, she's running good. I miss my baby. I miss my baby. Supposed to go look at a Hayabusa. It's a big boy bike. They don't get much bigger than that. The 1400, I think. And it's got some damage to it. It was knocked over at a low rate of speed. So we're supposed to go look at it later today. I might skip out of work and go look at it. It'd be cool to have another project bike. I like working on the bikes, kind of just as much as I like riding them. Yeah, buddy. And I'm thinking, because it's kind of cheap. It's only got 6,000 miles on it. It's like 5,700 or something. That's pretty good. I think if I modded the thing out and put the big chrome swing arm on there with the big rear tire, and I dump a bunch of money into it, I think I could sell it for a good chunk and make a bunch of money. And I like working on the bike, so it'll give me something to do when I'm bored. Fun little project. Yeah, buddy. I do miss it. It is one of my passions. What are you doing? Alright, I like it. Shift fake blip me there. I didn't like that. I don't like the auto shift and the auto blip, but a quick shift and the auto blip, it does not work as seamlessly as one would hope. You know, it's not like you drive an automatic transmission. You just hit the button and it's going to shift exactly how you want it. There's a lot of room for error in that electronical shifting. I really prefer clutching, although the auto blip is fun sometimes, but I really prefer to do it manually. I think I got better control than the computer does. And but sometimes when you're really gunning for for quick acceleration and top speed swiftly. The quick shift does some justice. It does some really quick, seamless shifting 90% of the time. So it has its ups, it has its downs, and trying to master it, to manipulate the computer into shifting it at an ideal rate, it's something I'm trying to get better at, but I really don't think it's 100% possible to master it, as the computer's calculating all kinds of different things, especially on a bike like this. It's all gyroscopic. It knows the angle of the bike and the rate of acceleration and all these other things it's trying to compensate to give you the cleanest shift. And sometimes it don't shift, sometimes it shifts, sometimes it don't shift. You know, was there a guy with a cup dude? Flashing yellow man, we're gonna go around him. I don't know what he's doing with his blinker. I got it? I don't have it. I do have it. Go ahead, motherfucker. Excuse me. These guys, I think. Whoa, little bumpy. Motherfucker. Well, are you coming or what? You're coming, I'm going. We're just gonna keep pushing. That cop didn't even think about coming to get me. That's good. Pretty sure I pushed by him doing 120 or 130. I really don't think he's pulling out. He's just like, well, we'll let that guy go. Really see a cop sitting there. That was a unique one. But catch me if you can. That's the rule. Looks good to me. He has no idea which way it even went, so look at this right off. Oh good, that might help me get some views and some likes on my videos. I'm gonna put that on there for sure. See if I can clickbait a little bit. My views on my YouTube have sunk and plummeted to nearly non-existent. Nobody wants to play with the flyby. I contributed to the algorithm of the YouTube, which YouTube's been messing my stuff up a lot. My video, the sound isn't syncing right. I keep trying to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. The videos are great when I finish editing them, and then once they're uploaded, they're all mangled. So we're going to work on that. We're going to figure it out. And we're going to figure it out. good to be back out here. Calm down, man. Fuck off. Made it. We're making it happen, making it happen. Whoa. Go, it was nice out. I'll take this moment to shout out to the fans and the holy Jesus. Wow. Shout out to the fans, shout out to the viewers and all the subscribers. Hey, if you're watching the video and you like what you see, please click the little like button. I think that is the key to me getting more views and YouTube recognizing YouTube's algorithm recognized my channel as being good content to spread around on the platform. So if you like what you see, or if you don't like what you see, if you feel cool with it, feel free to click the like button. I would appreciate it very much. And hopefully so with everybody else who likes watching the player content. I'll be submitted. And if you really want, click subscribe, and I guarantee, I promise to bring you more fire, fun content. Woo! Right up in there, if you let me, if you let me, if you let me, if you let me. Are numb. Been really pushing, it's vibrating hard. That was a fun ride. I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands. Put the mask up and chill for a moment and bask in the gloriness of doing 140 for 15 minutes straight. Gotta love it. It's probably like a 12-minute ride. It should take 40 minutes. So you do the math on that. I think it's 40 miles that I'm cutting in about 15 minutes maybe. That's pretty good. It's pretty good if I don't say so myself. And I do, and I do, and I do, and I do. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Anyhow, FlyBy is going to sign off to keep videos short. Shorter videos get more views. It's just a rule. When I post an hour-long video, man, people ain't really trying to watch all that. I get it, because people like watching them shorts and stuff and TikTokers. So we're going to keep the video as short as possible. FlyBy signing off. Having a blast out here. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Feel free to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Feel free to click subscribe. I'd also really appreciate that. And feel free to watch more of my videos. They're posted up there if you want to check them out. Got some good stuff up there. All right. You guys have a good one. Later.